The cloud is just kind of the backbone, right? What is important is what you do with the cloud. How do you leverage the cloud? The cloud comes with a lot of things which in the past I had to pay for. Like it comes with security. I have my data organized in the cloud. So that's all the basic stuff that I need. So it's kind of an infrastructure and a platform. So that's what I like about the cloud. I can transfer data in a safe way, store the data in the cloud so that I reduce my footprint. If I have less data on premises, that means that there will be less money spent in storing this data in my plant. And also, when I need this data, I'll be able to get it straight away from any place. So that's the beauty of the cloud, right? I can access it from any part of the world. So that's particularly true for some of our customers who have multiple plants. And what they want to do is have kind of a holistic view of what they are doing. And ideally, if I have a plant here in the UK, I have one in the US, one in Asia, I want to be able to do some kind of plant-to-plant comparison, even line-to-line comparison, and make sure that what I'm doing here is replicated somewhere else if this is the best in class. Manufacturing Data Cloud allows you to get data from different plants or different areas of your production, and then upload in the cloud and expose this in a structured way. So you don't have to worry about how you are going to structure the data. It does it for you, and also the communication. And this is where we go back to the benefits of using the cloud, that you can do it in a safe, fast, secure way. And once you have your data in the cloud, MDC allows you to expose the data to different pieces of software like BI tools or APMs, so that you can run some analytics on top of your data. And that's what one of our customers is doing right now. They started small. So they basically started with 5 plants, and they wanted to compare the performance of these different plants down to the machine level. So they started with 5, and now they have over 50 plants connected from all over the world. So that's the benefit of using the MDC again. It's out of the box. You don't have to sort of do the mapping manually. So that will allow you to save a lot of time. And we consider, this particular customer told us that he saved 50% in terms of engineering costs and engineering time, connecting all these plants into the cloud. And that's something we've seen ourselves because it was so fast. They started over a few months, they had their 5 plants connected, and then the rollout was incredibly fast. They moved into 20 and then 40 and 50 plants. So that's the benefit that you see when you use MDC.